So part 3 of our closet remodeling. So this time, as I mentioned in a previous video, we are going to be installing top shelves on that closet. This is same brand, ClosetMaid. If you want to go with this route, you are going to need these brackets as well. Again, same brand. So we're going to be installing 2 of these. So that's why we got 2 sets of brackets. Already got the measurements. I'm going to be cutting it. To cut it, I'm going to be using my handy dandy D-wall circular saw. Okay, so we just finished cutting these 2 boards to our desired measurements. So now we're ready to bring this inside and begin our installation process. The top shelves are going to be going right above these bars, so 1 on each side. All right, so let's open the first set of brackets. 2 long ones and 1 shorter one in the middle, and the hardware. All right, so we are ready to install the bracket. And I'll finish the rest with a screwdriver. Alright, so we just finished installing this side. Now we're going with the opposite side. Now we're putting these anchors in here. Starting off with the impact driver. Remember, this side requires longer screws. So we got the 2 side brackets. Now we're going to be installing the middle one. Alright, now let's give it a try and see if we succeeded. I guess we did. There you go. Got the top shelf installed. We just finished installing the top shelves on both sides. So the next thing we're gonna do is to install the drawer here. So just stay tuned for that. All right, next up, we're gonna be opening this soft closing drawer. We get 2 sides, 1 back, the bottom piece, and the front. And this is all the hardware. It does also already come with the handle, so it's a nice finish, kind of brushed aluminum, if you will. And you do get these channels, soft closing. So let's put it all together. All right, now we're going to be working on this front piece. There we go, that's how it's supposed to look. Now we're going to be putting the handle in. It does come with 2 smaller screws. That's inside the same package with the handle. So handle's going to go here. I'm going to open these guys up. So that's going to be the front of the drawer. Now we're going to be building the frame of the drawer. Same procedure with the other side. Now we're gonna install the bottom piece. So this will just slide through these channels. We're gonna be closing the box with the front panel. And last thing, we wanna make sure we tighten these screws here. Now we're just gonna need to install these channels. And we need to separate them, by the way. So this metal piece here is going to be installed as such onto the side of the drawer. Alright, so drawer is completely done. Installing it with these small screws that it came with. And you're going to be using this hole right here and this one right here. Okay, so we got these slides installed. Now we're just gonna insert this drawer, trying to make it visible for you guys. There we go. And just push it. It's a self-closing drawer. Now all we're gonna do is just line these shelves, and after that this project will be complete. Okay, this is the final finished product. There we go. And here's the drawer. This was our little project. This came out pretty good. Hope you guys like it. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down in comment section below. And I hope to catch you guys in future videos. Take care.